What do we have here? Lots of water, huh? I can tell you that the smell is different. Definitely doesn't smell of petrol. There's barely any smell to it. That's very interesting. So this should be just pure water vapor now. And it does feel very watery. It is normal for engines to have a lot of water in the exhaust until they get warm. This one is just gonna continue doing that. Is it gonna die? Can give it a bit more. That's it. Done. That's it, folks. Hydrogen powered engine. Doesn't work the best because of the control, but obviously it's well understood that there is a workable technology. It will work. It will work good. See you next time.